I'm sure you know this, that 70% of the earth is water. But then if I take this 70% and make it 100, 97.5% of the water is salty. So how much is fresh? 2.5%. Now when I say 2.5% of water is fresh water available, now out of that 2.5%, only 1% or less than 1% is available for us for drinking. Imagine 7 billion is the population of the earth, and then you have only 1% or less than 1% of water to drink. That's our chapter. Water resource. Now, how important is water for us? How we are utilizing the water? Now, when I say us, we are only going to talk about India. Let's see what is there stored in this chapter. So, the first topic is how much is that water we are utilizing? Just ask a simple question to yourself and see what's happening in your house. You will get the answer. See, we are utilizing water for drinking, for cooking food, for washing. ये बहुत छोटे बच्चों जैसा आंसर हो जाता है. On a larger scale, we use it for domestic purpose, and then we use it for agriculture purpose. Maximum amount of water we use it for the agriculture purpose. And see, understand, water becomes the most indispensable source of our energy and of our survival, which is literally in danger. You know why? Lot of things we are going to cover in this chapter in the beginning. So as you know, in India, the total availability of water depends on monsoon. And one thing is very certain about monsoon, that it is very uncertain. बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग द स्टेटमेंट है, किसी को पता ही नहीं है मॉनसून कब होगी, कितनी होगी और कैसे होगी. सो देखते हैं कि हम क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम फेस करते हैं इन दिस चैप्टर, स्पेशली रिलेटेड टू वाटर. कॉजेस ऑफ वाटर स्कैरसिटी. अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज स्कैरसिटी? कम होना पानी. Let me begin with one statement. It says, water, water everywhere, not a drop to drink. It's from one of the poem from CBSE book written by Samuel Taylor, and the poem is Ancient Mariner. ये बहुत classic statement है. Water, water everywhere, not a drop to drink. Is it possible? You have water all around, then still you have a problem of water scarcity. Yes, think if you are traveling in the middle of ocean. Can you drink this salty water? No. So the line stands for that. Is it possible that you are staying in one of the colony or one of the region or one of the big city? The same statement? Yes, again it is possible if it is flood. क्या आप पानी पी सकते हो फ्लड का? नहीं पी सकते हो. Certain areas, especially the metro cities, you have this problem. Abundance of water is there, still you cannot drink. This is one problem for the scarcity of water. Let's talk about the other. See, over-exploitation is one big reason. Now, over-exploitation means आपको जितनी लिमिट दी गई है उससे ज़्यादा. We can say it overuse or misuse or abuse. That's how the water scarcity is there in India. But where do you overuse the water? Everywhere. Take an example of yours when you're going for a bath. हम बहुत ज़्यादा पानी यूज़ कर रहे हैं for everything. But वो तो बहुत छोटा है, बच्चों वाला एग्जाम्पल है. Talk about class 10th. ओवर एक्सप्लॉयटेशन बिकॉज ऑफ पॉपुलेशन. जितनी ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन बढ़ेगी उतना ज़्यादा पानी का रिक्वायरमेंट बढ़ेगा और बढ़ रहा है. सी, ग्रेटर द डिमांड ऑफ वाटर एंड अनइक्वल एक्सेस ऑफ वाटर. अनइक्वल एक्सेस कैसे हो सकता है? येस, इन सिटीज पीपल गेट मोर वाटर कंपेयर टू दैट ऑफ विलेजेस. You know, many villages in India face this problem of water scarcity, especially in the drier part or the central part of Maharashtra, in the region called Bundelkhand, in the western part of Rajasthan. You see that women travel far long to these places to fetch water. अब ये क्यों है? Because availability is not there at their place. Unequal access is there. City में ज़्यादा पानी है, villages में बहुत कम पानी है. और see, if you want a higher production, if you are using modern method of farming, don't you think you require a very good irrigation system? Very good irrigation system means overuse of water. Underground water or river water or channel water or canal water, anything. आप पानी बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रहे हो क्योंकि आप फर्टिलाइजर ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हो. Excessive use of underground water led to the decrease in the water table of India's underground water reservoirs. कम से कम 4 मीटर वाटर लेवल जो है वो गिर चुका है. ये मुझे कहाँ से पता चला? आपकी पहले चैप्टर से, डेवलपमेंट, इकोनॉमिक्स. In that you have sustainability and the first example is of underground water. तो ये आपका उस चैप्टर से आप रिलेट कर सकते हो. So these are some reasons for the scarcity. There are others also. Industries. You know, lot of industries are there and industries are in pockets. So in these pockets, lot of water is supplied. For example, if I take example of Nasik, you have the wine industries over there. Now wine require lot of water, so the dams around Nasik provide the water to these industries and farmer face the scarcity. तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. The other thing is hydroelectricity. Now hydroelectricity is generated through dams. अब जब आप डैम बना देते हो, लाइक इन इंडिया 23% ऑफ द टोटल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय डैम. जब आप डैम बना दोगे, रिजर्वायर बना दोगे, तो आप रिवर के फ्लो को रोक रहे हो. तो जो एक्सेसिबिलिटी है लोगों के लिए वो कम हो जाएगी एंड देन यू विल सप्लाई टू दी सिटीज. तो ये एक बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. एंड देन अर्बन सेंटर. द मोर अर्बन सेंटर्स कमिंग अप, द मोर एंड मोर वाटर इज गोइंग टू अर्बन सेंटर. एंड हु इज सफरिंग? फार्मर एंड द पुअर पीपल. तो ये कुछ कॉजेज हैं वाटर स्कैरसिटी के. आप सिंपली याद रखिए, एग्रीकल्चर, देन इंडस्ट्रीज, देन अर्बनाइजेशन एंड देन जॉट डाउन योर पॉइंट्स. तो आपका एक बहुत अच्छे से सिंपल सा आंसर रेडी हो जाएगा. ओवर एक्सप्लॉयटेशन हम पढ़ ही रहे हैं. सी, देयर इज नथिंग न्यू इन दिस चैप्टर. सो यू हैव टू जस्ट रेज योर बार फ्रॉम क्लास 7 टू क्लास 10th. तो डिफरेंस आ ही जाएगा. Now let's talk about the next topic, need for water conservation and management. Why? Because already we have learned about the reasons, but then उसको थोड़ा सा compile कर दिया है, एक जगह पे रखा है, and let's see what they say. They say to safeguard ourselves from health hazards, we need to conserve water and do water management. To ensure food security, continuation of our livelihoods and productive activities, we need to save water. To prevent degradation of our natural ecosystem, we need to save water. ये बहुत प्रिसाइज आंसर है. 3 मार्क का आपके लिए ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है.